All right, this is question number 14 from AP Classroom Unit 2. I don't remember which section, it's either A or B, but you will be able to find it. So this is asking you to find the derivative of sine times cosecant. And listen, there's a couple of ways of doing this problem. You could immediately see that this is the product rule and jump right in and start doing this, and it would work out if you use proper identities. But y'all, listen, sine times cosecant, sine times cosecant is the derivative of 1, which is 0. If you did it the long way, here's what it would look like. And I don't recommend doing it the long way for what it's worth. It'd be first times the derivative of the second plus second times the derivative of the first. So then if I'm looking at this and I go to simplify it, I'm going to do this by writing everything in terms of sine and cosine, so it's easier to look at. This and this multiply to give you -1, and this are the same, but this makes it negative, so they add together to give you 0. So I think the object lesson here is if you have stuff that you can simplify before you take the derivative, you should go ahead and do that. It makes your life a lot easier.